352 Hauling Crew Production coming to you. I'm show you what we're getting into today. So today we're out here at Devil's Mill Hopper area. We got a demo in the backyard, and so let's check it out. Got the trailer lined up over here. The septic tank is right here, so we got a good little wave that will be coming through here. Got the mini skids lined up here in the back. Chainsaws and everything back here. We'll be taking down the structure, but we'll also be taking down everything around it. All the other stuff will be coming with us. The guys will pull some things out of here down from under. This is the structure that we'll be taking out. And how you can canvas everything around here. All this other stuff will be coming with us as well. So we're taking everything away. Got a couple lawnmowers, some paint, chemicals, tires, and everything else is buried up under here. We will show y'all the before and after once we're done. 352 Hauling Crew, skids to services early Saturday morning. We're gonna see you at the top. Bottom too crowded. Rolling out, baby.
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments.